My name is Stoney Gable and I'm the general manager here at Ion Art in Austin, Texas. We make neon signs, we make public art, we make sculptures, and if you want to church up the front of your apartment complex, boy, we'll make you a great big sculpture to put out in the parking lot. Most importantly, we have fun every day. We make cool stuff and it's never the same, it's never boring, and every day is going to be something new, something fun. We're building a 1,200-pound aluminum chicken right now. We do a lot of restaurant signage, we do a lot of vinyl, we do a lot of paint, and a lot of the really cool art that you'll see in this town and a lot of the towns around us came from us. And we're really proud of the fact that we get to make some of the neatest, coolest, most unique art that the city has ever seen. We get most of our product from GSG whenever we can. We get all of our Matthews paint from GSG. We get most of our vinyl. A lot of our neon comes from GSG, power supplies, LED product, principal through GSG. And we really like the service, and the fact that we're so close geographically to the warehouse really helps us out because we get our deliveries twice a day, and if we really need to run over and grab something, we're just a few minutes away.
Hi guys, I'm Blake. I'm the vinyl manager over here at Ion Art. I've been working with GSG for about 5 years now, and they've always got great customer service. Everything comes in quickly. If I ever have any issues, they're right on the other end of the phone if I ever need any help. This is for our Surreal Garden art show this year. So we have a lot of signs in the shop that we keep around just because they're cool to have around the shop. And this is one we're actually refacing with 3M IJ35 vinyl. It's been digitally printed and laminated. So we've got a cool pattern here with kind of a pixelated leopard print, jaguar. And we're going to be adding neon to it and use it as a part of our art installation that we've got upcoming. So we're really excited about that.
Hi, my name's Sharon Keshishian. I'm one of the owners of Ion Art, along with my husband Greg. We started the company back in 1986. Consider ourselves primarily a design build company. We work with primarily steel and aluminum and neon and LEDs. We get a lot of our product from GSG. We love trying to do the really unusual and creative. I have a really good team of, I think there's 38 of us now. And it's fun to keep them challenged on what we can build that's a little fun and a little different. The Surreal is probably my most fun project that we're trying to do now. The last time we put on the Surreal show, it attracted over 4,000 people for a one-night event. This spring, when we have the event, it'll be a 10-day, so people will have multiple times to get to come. One of our more exciting projects we've done this year was SpaceX down in Boca Chica, Texas for the Starbase letters. They're 6 foot tall, steel and neon and aluminum. And then we also did some neon in the control room, and then an Occupy Mars sign in their main lounge area. And so that was kind of exciting. We got to go down and tour the Starbase, and it's fun to get to work on something that's a space project.
We really like the service that we get from GSG. We've got really good relationships with all of our salesmen. There's not a whole bunch of phone calls and operators we have to go through. It makes ordering, it's a streamlined process for us. It makes it a lot easier for us to get the product we need when we need it, and we always know we're getting the best price. We've gotten such a good relationship with GSG that we know that we're going to get the best deal from them, and that they're going to do all they can to give us the personal service to get the product we need, depending on, be it drop ship, back order, overnight, supply chain issues. These guys are going to work as hard as they can to get us the stuff that we need to finish the jobs that we need to get finished.